I'm Mike O'Keefe, the training manager for digital imaging with Casio. We have here the EX-F1, the latest in the Exilim Pro line of digital cameras. It has a 6 megapixel sensor and a frame rate of 60 frames per second, which allows you to basically capture lots of video or lots of still images at one time. Those 60 frames could also be adjusted down to be able to take 30 frames per second for 2 seconds or 10 frames for 6 seconds, basically just allowing you to have a lot more flexibility with the camera.
60 frames per second has to be the highest on the market.
Yes, definitely the highest on the market. A lot of other SLR cameras are going to give you maybe 10 frames per second, but 60, nobody else is doing.
How do you accomplish that?
Basically, it has the sensor is able to offset, send off the images kind of as a parallel read, so it's just a faster way to get the images off the screen, or off the buffer. Basically, on the camera, you can set it for the 1 to 60 frames per second, a continuous flash mode that'll give you 7 frames per second for 20 frames, and basically, on the menu, so we can scroll down, set it for the 60 frames, 30 frames, whatever you want to do. 15 is a nice, easy one to demonstrate. So we'll do a autofocus, hold in the shutter, fill up the buffer. Gives you the option to save everything or just save individual selected ones. Let's see what we've got in here. So we save the selected. You're able to just scroll through.
Oh, got it. And so there wasn't much lag time at all.
Exactly, not at all. You know, trying to show 60 frames in 1 second, you've got to have something going on. Otherwise, it doesn't really you don't notice it too much. But for things like birds or that split-second instant that you need, it's definitely going to work.
And is the camera available now?
It's going to be available in the spring at a $9.99 price point. $999.99.
That's great, Mike. Thanks very much.
Thank you.